consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to promote quality rest. Can be really important and can make our lives beneficial in the future, and can be a very... What's going on?
On May the 20th day. Apologies to the teachers we extend, for this act of rebellion we shall not bend. And to Mrs. Higginbottom, our respected guide, forgive us, dear principal, for this unruly strife. No matter the words, no matter the plea, senior skip day, we shall still decree. Though sorry we offer, with hearts unslaved, this tradition we honor without delay. So seniors of HKS, let it be known, on May the 20th, our spirits shall be shown. Sorry we may be, yet resolutely stay, for senior skip day, after prom, shall have its way.